Welcome to Midwest Fire. My name is Abby, and I'm going to take you through some of the reasons why buying from a factory direct manufacturer is better than one with a dealer network. Starting in our office, this is where all of our salesmen sit, and I'm going to show you how quickly we can get to the shop to ask them a question if we have one about how to design a truck. Here we go. Safety first. And now we're out in the parts room. Because our shop and our office are so closely connected, we're able to ensure that your build process and design process can go as quickly and smoothly as possible. We also have a relatively small team compared to some of the other large manufacturers. This allows us to invest into our employees to make them industry experts so that our customers can get the truck that they need for their department. The best part about being a factory direct manufacturer is that we're able to keep the costs down for our customers. We're not focused on big growth or a big name or big company. We're focused on delivering for our customers and ensuring that they can get the best possible price and product for that price.